Dear students, this is my third video of this chapter, Weather and Climate, chapter 3. Now, today I will tell you about the climatic zones of the world. The world is divided into 3 climatic zones. What are they? We'll see. Now, the first is torrid zone, second temperate zone, third is frigid zone. Now, first is torrid zone. The torrid zone lies in the area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. In this figure you can see, this is the torrid zone. This orange area, this is torrid zone, lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This zone receives direct rays of the sun and is very hot and humid. Some areas in this zone receive high rainfall. This area is near the equator, that's why the temperature is hot and humid. Now, second is temperate zone. Now, in this temperate zone, the region between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere falls in temperate zone. This zone receives slanting rays of the sun and is neither very hot nor very cold. Now you can see in this green part, this is northern temperate zone between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer, and this is the southern hemisphere. In this is also temperate zone in southern hemisphere. This temperate zone, this green color area you can see in this figure. It lies between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle, and this zone receives slanting rays of the sun. That's why this is neither very hot or nor very cold. Now, third is frigid zone. Frigid zone is the region extending from the Arctic Circle to the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole in the southern hemisphere falls in this zone. This region is extremely cold and remains covered with snow throughout of the year. Now, this is the Arctic Circle, North Pole to the North Pole, this area, blue area. This is the frigid zone. This is also frigid zone. This is the Antarctic Circle of the South Pole. This is also frigid zone. Frigid zones, this region is extremely cold. This is because sun rays are, यहाँ पे सन रेज जो है वो इस एरिया में बहुत कम पड़ती हैं या कभी होती ही नहीं, आती ही नहीं है सन रेज. इसलिए this region is extremely cold and remains covered with snow throughout of the year. पूरे साल स्नो से कवर्ड रहता है. I hope you will understand this. Thank you.